Good morning children, how are you all? Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the lesson number 10, landlords and tenants under the British and the Nizam. Even June class also I completed. But I want to say one letter because this is the 8 marks question. You can get it, it's a definite question. So write a letter. Generally you have letters in English subject and after that in the social only such letters will be there. So what is this letter? Let's see. Imagine that you are giving a representation to a British government inquiry committee. Write down the grievances of tenant farmers in the form of an appeal. So what is the meaning of this? Imagine that, you have to imagine that you are giving a representation to British government. That means what? This letter is, this situation is in the time, during the time of independence. During the time of freedom fight when the Britishers colonized our India. Because we are talking about, in this lesson we are discussing about these things only. Okay, so landlords and tenants under the British and the Nizam. That means it is in the situation at that time. 1942, 47, during that time. So imagine that we have to write a letter to the British inquiry. So imagine that you are giving a representation to a British government inquiry committee. British government inquiry committee will be there. Is there? So in that we are writing to that committee. So what we are writing? Write down the grievances of tenant farmers in the form of an appeal. Write down the grievances. What are meant by grievances? What are the problems they are facing at that time? What the problems they were facing at that time? Those are called grievances. So grievances of tenant farmers in the form of an appeal. An appeal means in a letter form. We are requesting you see all these grievances. So you do some needful thing for us. So for that we are writing a letter to a British government committee and we'll see how it will be. We'll write a letter to the British government. First what we have to write? First in the letter to whom we are writing? To the secretary, comma, British government, to the secretary, British government committee, British government inquiry committee, So generally in English we have some formalities will be there, but here in social, if there is a letter, no much formalities will be there. To address we have to write, and then after that we have to write about the subject. What subject we are mentioning, and regarding what we are telling. Okay, that is subject is appealing. What we are appealing? Appeal regarding the problems of tenant farmers. Regarding the problems of tenant farmers. So what is this? This is a subject. What is this? This is a subject. What is subject? Appeal regarding the problems of tenant farmers. What the problems are facing by the tenant farmers, we are mentioning to the British government inquiry committee. So here they are writing some grievances. What are they? We'll see. First one is the farmers in our areas are facing many grievances. That is first point. We are facing many grievances, many more problems we are facing. In that, what are the problems? First one is the landlords such as are exploiting the tenants. They are exploiting the tenant farmers. They are exploiting the tenant farmers. They are exploiting the tenant farmers. See, in the social subject, whatever you want to write in a point wise, then you will be getting good marks. So first point is they are exploiting the tenants by making them do additional work. Not only how they are exploiting. Generally, if 5 hours we are working, if more than for them, they are giving wages for 5 hours only. But they are making them to do for additional work also. but for that additional work they are not paying anything. So not only that hours work, some additional work they are going to do. Some additional work they are going to do without payment. Additional work without payment. Okay, that is one grievance. Okay, one problem. And second thing is they are forcing them to give the produce free of cost. Actually, they are forcing them to produce, forcing them to give the production, give the produce, whatever produce they are doing, whatever product they are making, that in a free of cost. In a free of cost. So what they are telling, if already they are giving a tenant farmers means they are giving some rent and they are working on that farming land. So they are forcing them to give the produce, whatever they are producing, that output also with a free of cost they have to give it to zemindaris. That is one of the important grievance. That is one case they are facing a problem. Then the landlords are often changing the tenants. Then landlords are often changing the tenancy. Landlords are often changing the tenants. Often changing the tenants means they are simply, if they don't like, they won't give the produce free of cost, then they are changing, okay, you donate, we will take some other people. Like that, they are changing often the tenants. They are simply changing the tenants. So then what, in the mid of the year, where they will go? Okay. So their livelihood will be, again it will be a problem for them. And next is, there is no protection and safety for the tenants. There is no protection and safety for the tenants. For the tenants, there is no protection at all. There is no protection and safety for them. Protection and safety for them. See, when they will get angry, they will remove them from the job, from the agriculture fields, or they have taken their lands, or sometimes they will be taken their houses, properties and all. So there is no security for their life. Next, the main thing is the tenants are facing problems from the money lenders. Particularly I said, from the money lenders they are facing a lot of problems from the money lenders. Because the money lenders are unofficial institutions. These are all informal institutions, I said, not like banks and all. They will be, that money lenders or bank brokers are very crucial, crooked nature of them. And what they will be doing, just they give 5,000 rupees and on that they will keep on interest, adding up interest and all. If the principal amount is 5,000, but the interest and all adding it may be that is 30,000 or 40,000. So they are unable to pay and sometimes they will be in the debt. The farmers will be in the debt. So that is one of the dangerous problem with the money lenders. And also some crop failures. When the crop failures are there, they have not recouped them. If the crop failures are there, well, because of low irrigational facilities or because of the in-time rains, lack of in-time rains, such times what happened, when the crop is failed, crop failures are there, so such time they are asking the money for that land. So how can they give at that time? Once they got crop and agriculture product, they come into the hand, then they will sell it and they will give money. Isn't it? So that is one of the biggest problem for them. And then finally, the farmers are unable to pay the interest and loans also. Interest and loans they are unable to pay from the money lender. So in this connection, we request into the matter and help them to the tenants from landlordism, zemindarism and controlling the money lender. So finally, what is their conclusion? Here we have to write end of the thing. They have to write conclusion. What is the conclusion? Conclusion is ending. So what they have to do? Why they are writing these grievances to the government of inquiry committee, British government inquiry committee? Why? Because they want some security of life and they have to eradicate these. So in this connection, the request the government committee to look into the matter and help. How they have to help by removing landlordism, by by removing Jamindarism, and they have to give a special patas, okay, for registrations for their land, and whatever they are getting produced, that produce should be, they have their own thing and they can sell it in any market price and all. So for this they have written conclusions, sir. You have to look into that matter. See, please, committee, I am requesting you to look into the matter and do needful for us. So such letter they have written. And finally, sincerely yours. Here we have to write end of the thing. Sincerely yours. Sincerely yours. Someone. Somebody, whoever the farmers, they are writing their names and all. That is during 1947 letter. That is during 1947 letter. Sincerely you have to write. See, what is the subject? So, first two address we have to the secretary and the British Government Inquiry Committee. And what they have to write, what is the subject? Appeal regarding the problems of the tenant farmers. Okay, appeal regarding the problems of tenant farmers. So what are their farmers? What are their problems? First one is they are exploiting the tenant farmers and additional money they wanted to pay. That is one thing. And they are forcing them to give the produce in a free of cost. Once they are giving rent, that's enough. But they are asking even the produce in a free of cost. Not for money, in a free of cost they have to give the produce. That is another problem. And landlords are often changing the tenant farmers. So tenant cultivators often they are changing them. So because of that there is a threat to their life security. And from there is no protection and safety for them, for their lives, for their women or children, for their life, no protection and safety. And from the money lenders, that is one more problem. Money lenders are putting a lot of interest on their principal amounts, whatever they have taken from the borrow from money lenders. And next, when the crop failures are there, they have to pay that, even though the rent has to pay. How they will pay the rent if they don't get money? So that is one of the biggest problem. And finally, what is the conclusion? What is the ending point? So on account of all these things, you have to look into the matter. This British Committee, Government Inquiry Committee, look into the matter and do needful for us, and whatever the changes are there, and how to help. By even solution also they are giving. How they have to eliminate the Jamindaris, and they can sell their product on their own. They have to eliminate the Jamindarism and landlordism and all. By this is the help they are expecting from the British Government Inquiry Committee. So sincerely yours and the Farmers Committee or farmers whoever there. Okay, this is about this is very important 8-mark question is this. This is a letter to the British Committee, and in those times, during the freedom fight, during the colonial period, these are the grievances of the farmers in everywhere in India. Not only in one place, in everywhere, North India, South India, everywhere. This is the same problem, but it is continuing with the different names. If for example, in Telangana they are Doras, in Andhra Pradesh they are Jamindaris, in the UP they are some other Jamindaris, like that. And money lenders and Jamindaris are exploited the people like anything more than the Britishers. Okay, so these are the grievances. This is a letter to the British Government Inquiry Committee. This is a 8-mark question. So you have to learn it, children. Okay, if you understand that, you can write point wise. You can write all the points, whatever problems they are facing. Okay, I hope everyone understood, children. Thank you.